Welcome, students. Today, we're going on an exciting journey to explore the natural vegetation of India. The plants and trees that grow naturally in a region are called its natural vegetation. India's diverse climate and terrain create a stunning variety of plant life. Understanding these forests is vital for appreciating our country's ecology and resources. We'll learn about the factors that determine this vegetation and the major types found across India. The natural vegetation of any region depends on several crucial factors. These include the type of soil, latitude, altitude, the amount of rainfall, and the overall climate and relief of the area. India's natural vegetation can be classified into 6 major types, forming a diverse green mosaic. These types are tropical evergreen, deciduous or monsoon, dry deciduous, semi-desert and desert, tidal or mangrove, and mountain forests. These different types are distributed across the country based on the local environmental conditions. Here are some key terms. A forest refers to a large area of land covered chiefly with trees and undergrowth. Natural vegetation is the plant life that grows naturally without human interference. Let's begin with the tropical evergreen forests. The trees in these forests remain green throughout the entire year. This type of vegetation is found in regions that receive heavy rainfall, maintaining their lushness. They are mainly located in the Western Ghats, parts of West Bengal and Odisha, the northeastern states, and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Key trees include rosewood, cedar, mahogany, cinchona, and bamboo. These forests are known for producing commercially important hardwood species. Here's an interesting fact about evergreen forests. These forests remain green all year round as the trees retain their leaves throughout the seasons, providing greenery even in winter. These forests are so incredibly dense that sunlight often barely reaches the forest floor. This creates a dark, perpetual twilight environment underneath the canopy. Next, we have the deciduous or monsoon-type forests, often called the Monsoon Forests. These forests are found in regions that receive moderate to heavy rainfall. Their defining characteristic is that the trees shed their leaves during the dry season to conserve water, which is why they are called deciduous. They are found in the lower slopes of the Himalayas and many peninsular states like Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Odisha. Common trees here include sal, teak, the valuable sandalwood, ebony, and mahua. These forests are a major source of important forest products. Did you know that teak, a tree found in these deciduous forests, is one of the most highly valued woods globally? It's prized for its durability, especially in making furniture and for shipbuilding. Moving to areas with less water, we find the dry deciduous forests and semi-desert vegetation. Dry deciduous forests grow in regions receiving lesser annual rainfall and experiencing a long dry spell. The trees here are generally not as tall, and the undergrowth consists of shrubs and grasses, called scrub. They are found in parts of the Deccan Plateau and southeastern Rajasthan, featuring trees like sandalwood and neem. In regions with very little or no rainfall, you find semi-desert and desert vegetation. These plants have adapted with long, strong stalks, thick, fleshy stems, and small, often thorny leaves to minimize water loss. This includes plants like thorny bushes, acacia, and date palm, typical of Rajasthan and dry parts of Gujarat. An incredible fact about desert plants like cacti is their survival mechanism. They store large amounts of water within their thick, fleshy stems, allowing them to survive for very long periods without rainfall. Now let's explore the specialized forests, tidal and mountain. Tidal or mangrove forests are found in swampy coastal areas that are regularly washed by seawater. A unique feature of these trees is their aerial roots, which grow out of the stems to help them breathe in the waterlogged soil. The most famous example is the Sundarbans, home to the Sundari tree. Mountain or montane forests are found in the Himalayan regions and the Nilgiri hills. The vegetation here changes dramatically with altitude, temperature, and rainfall. Near the foothills, you find trees like teak and bamboo. But at higher, colder altitudes, you find coniferous trees like pine, fir, cedar, and spruce. Mangroves have a remarkable ability to survive in salt water. Their roots are adapted to filter out salt while they absorb fresh water. This also makes them vital natural barriers against coastal erosion and storm surges. Finally, let's discuss the crucial topic of conservation of forests. Forests are essential for our planet's well-being and our survival. They prevent soil erosion, purify the air by releasing oxygen, and are key factors in causing rainfall. Furthermore, they provide shelter to countless birds and animals, and supply us with many valuable products. Cutting down trees, or deforestation, has severe adverse effects on all life forms. It is the duty of every citizen to do their part to preserve this natural environment. We must support initiatives like Van Mahotsav, the tree planting festival, to protect and grow our green cover. A great initiative by the Government of India is Van Mahotsav, which literally means Festival of Forests. It's a week-long tree planting festival celebrated every year in July, encouraging mass afforestation efforts. To wrap up, let's review what we've learned today. Natural vegetation is the plants and trees that grow naturally, determined by factors such as rainfall, soil type, and altitude. We explored India's diverse green cover, which is broadly divided into 6 major types, each adapted to its unique environment. From the dense tropical evergreen to the unique tidal mangrove forests, India's vegetation is a treasure. And finally, we established that the conservation and protection of these forests are absolutely vital for a healthy planet and a prosperous future for all. To give you an idea of the scale of India's green wealth, the total forest and tree cover spans over 800,000 square kilometers. That's approximately 24.62% of the country's total geographical area, a huge ecological asset. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of India's magnificent natural vegetation. Remember that every tree, every plant, plays a crucial role in our ecosystem. Keep learning, stay curious, and always do your part to protect our green earth. Goodbye for now.